Today we will learn about Python sets. So first of all, let me declare a set here. I am declaring a set naming as set1 and I am adding some values in it. Okay, here I have an integer set. Now I am declaring another set. Now I have a set of strings. I am declaring another set. Here I have a set of boolean values. Now I am declaring another set. Now here I have a set of different type of data types. Now let's see some characteristics of set items. Set items are unordered, they are unchangeable, and duplicates not allowed. Okay, duplicates not allowed. So what does it mean by unordered? Unordered means that the items in a set do not have a defined order. Set items can appear in a different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to by index or key. Okay, now the next characteristics is unchangeable. Set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created, but we can add new elements to the set. Like I have this set here, set1, having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can't modify the 4, 3, 2 or 1, but I can add more elements like 5, 6 and 7 and whatever I want to add. The next characteristics is duplicates not allowed. Let's see what this means with an example. Okay, so at first I am declaring a set here. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1. Now we can see that here are some duplicate values, like I have two number of 1, I have two 2s, two 4s and a single 3. Now if I try to print the set, we can see that only the unique values are printed because the set does not allow duplicates. Now let's see how to get the length of this set. To do this, we will use the len function and I will write print len and inside it the name of our set, which is set1. Now if I print this, we can see that the result is 4. That's the number of the unique elements in my set. Okay, when I am using the len function to get the length of the set1, then they are not counting the duplicate elements, they are only counting the number of the unique elements. Okay, now let's see that how we can check the type of this. To do that, I will write here type and inside it I will write my set name, which is set1, and if I print this, if I run this, we can see that the data type is set. We also can declare sets using set constructor. So let's see an example. I am creating a set naming set2 and writing set, and inside it I will declare my elements 1, 2, suppose okay India. Now if I try to print this, it prints 1, 2, India. Okay, that's how we can declare a set using the set constructor. Okay, that's all for the video. In the next video we will talk about the methods in sets. Thank you for watching.